Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the best crypto exchanges for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or looking for the safest and most user-friendly platforms, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Why choosing the right exchange is crucial. For beginners, the right crypto exchange can make a world of difference. A good exchange should offer ease of use, intuitive interfaces that don't overwhelm new users. Security, protecting your funds and data with the latest technology. Low fees, transparent and competitive fee structures. Variety of coins, access to popular and emerging cryptocurrencies. Top crypto exchanges for beginners in 2025. 1. Binance. Known as the largest exchange in the world, Binance offers an easy-to-navigate interface for beginners. A robust selection of cryptocurrencies. High liquidity and low transaction fees. Pros: advanced features for growth as you learn. Cons: may feel overwhelming for absolute beginners. 2. Coinbase. Coinbase remains a favorite for newcomers due to its simplicity, beginner-friendly interface. High level of security and insurance. Educational resources to help you understand crypto basics. Pros: ideal for US-based users. Cons: higher fees compared to others. 3. Kraken. Kraken combines user-friendliness with powerful tools, excellent customer support, strong focus on security, options to trade fiat and crypto pairs. Pros: great for slightly advanced beginners. Cons: interface might feel dated to some. 4. eToro. eToro is perfect for those who want to learn and trade, a social trading platform where you can copy trades from experts. Simple, clean interface tailored for beginners. Offers both crypto and forex trading. Pros: multi-asset trading on one platform. Cons: limited range of cryptocurrencies. Which one should you choose? Your choice depends on your needs. If you're looking for simplicity, go with Coinbase. For low fees, Binance is unbeatable. Want to trade like a pro while still learning? eToro might be your best bet. Get started today. Ready to start your crypto journey? We've partnered with some of the most trusted exchanges to offer you exclusive benefits when you sign up using our links. Check the description and pinned comment below for links to open your account with the best forex and crypto trading platforms today. Your support means everything. If you found this video helpful, checkmark like this video to help it reach more beginners like you. Checkmark share it with friends who want to explore crypto. Checkmark subscribe to our channel for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Speech Balloon have questions or need advice? Drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to guide you.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.